So I'm going to try something a little different on my flat hone. I went to Harbor Freight and bought one of their foot switches. It's a two-step latching on and off, meaning you click it on and click it off. And I'll probably only use this here in the shop. I probably won't take this into salons, but I'm just going to give it a try. Instead of turning on the switch on and off, I've already worn out a couple of these switches. I've got one on my AMK75 that is just on and then release and it's off. So I'm going to try this on the flat hone here in the shop and see how it works. I don't know. So I decided to take the foot pedal off because it just did not work with the clutch on this. When I used the foot pedal, it continued to spin and did not stop, whereas the off switch there stops it fairly quickly. So that didn't work.